What's up, guys? Back here with another video today. So today we're going to talk about bloggers, mommy, daddy bloggers, all of them. We're going to go through some income reports, show you how they're killing it. We'll go through some clever write-offs they're doing, and just the way they're making money, courses, affiliate sales. Some of these numbers are unbelievable. We're going to see bloggers making 50K a month, 300K a month. It's amazing. So let's go inside and let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's dive right in. We'll start with Pinch of Yum. It's a food blog, recipe blog, been around for a number of years, and they've been doing income reports for a long time, but they stopped in 2016, and the numbers we're about to see are old numbers, obviously. What they're doing now is exponentially higher than what we're seeing here. Let's check it out. Let's see what they did here. So this is November 2016. They were making $52,000 in 1 month from AdThrive. AdThrive is kind of like AdSense, just you got to have a high traffic website, over 100K visitors. Bloggers love it, pays really well. So they got 50K from AdThrive. It's amazing. 22K sponsored content, and then 5K from Bluehost. And we'll dive into that a little bit later, but it's very interesting what these bloggers are doing, and very profitable. Let's check out this other one. This is Melissa Griffin. Her report is also pretty old, but she made 56K in April, and most of her revenue came from, she calls it passive revenue. I'm guessing that's ads. Monthly recurring revenue, 17,000, probably some courses, and then webinars and things like that. And she's gone from being a blogger to doing all these podcasts, courses, masterminds. She's got a pretty big community behind her, so she's blown up. Another one here, Abby Lawson, another smaller blogger, also an old report, but you can see here her beginnings where she was making 2,000, 1,000, 6,000 a month, and then she worked her way up to where it was 10, 15,000 a month, and then we go into 2016 when she started really ramping up, 20K, 30K, 40K, 50, pretty impressive. And you see this as a trend with bloggers. They start and then they want to show their income reports, show how legitimate they are, how they're doing it, how much they're making. And then what they do with these income reports is they use them to sell courses and basically teach other people how to start a blog like they do. But eventually, once they hit a number high enough, they stop these income reports. So here's Kate. She has, I think, a personal blog, and then she also has another Revel something blog, and she also does income reports, and her numbers are more recent. So let's dive in. So if we look here in 2017, that was her second year blogging. She made 75,000 that year. Then the next year in 2018, the numbers are quite a bit better. She's now making 13,000, 15,000 a month. She made 150,000 in 2018. 2019, she's almost at 200,000 for the year. And then 2020, during paid maternity leave, she made 135,000 in 4 months in 2020. Pretty impressive numbers. Now this one's really interesting. We got her name is Sarah Titus, and what she does is she blogs. Now she also sells some printables. She does courses. Very impressive person, and super just grinding it out, doing what it takes. Her first year blog in 2014, she made 10K a month. 10K a month her first year. This girl's a hustler. Second year, she started making 23K a month. And then in 2018, she says she hit this 7-figure a year threshold. So $1 million in 2018, pretty impressive. And she dives deep here into in her income reports where all the money's coming from. So 3,000 is from network marketing, 32,000 is affiliates. So whatever these bloggers use, whether it's their email software or hosting, they will include an affiliate link. So anytime someone signs up, they get a commission. But yeah, this year her bulk of her income came from her store, 925,000, which is she sells those printables through Shopify. She has an amazing email list. She treats them really well. She gives away stuff constantly, and she's making a ton of money selling printables. If you don't know, printables, there's no physical product. It's a digital download. You download it and you're expected to print out, whether it's a planner or whatever it is. She's doing amazing with those. And then here's some other miscellaneous income. We don't have to go through all that, but she's an interesting case. But yeah, while we're talking about her, she goes a little deeper here into her printables business. So, of course, she also has a course where she tells you how to make these printables, sell them, whatever. Okay, so she claims in 2020, from January 1st to the end of April, she made over $2.5 million in revenue from her printable shop. Unbelievable. I don't know. It's a crazy number. So January was 516,000. And she kind of breaks it down into the categories of these printables: wall art, binders, stickers, kids educational. Wall art's killing it. She made 189,000 in December. And the best thing is there's no costs really. She gets a lot of traffic through her Pinterest, through her email list, and then she's able to market them all these items. And these printables, they don't cost her anything. Once the printable is designed, you sell the PDF, and the person prints it out. The margins are unbelievable. But yeah, enough of that. Let's look at another one. So Ryan Robinson runs a blog. He made $43,000 blogging, and that's down from the month before. Looks like all his numbers are down, even though they're super impressive. Blog traffic, new email subscribers, all that. And what Ryan does, Ryan ranks super high for how to start your own blog. And anytime someone's looking for that information, one part of setting up your own blog is you have to get hosting. And he links you to various hosting providers, and they're very generous with their commissions. So anytime someone makes a sale, he gets about $100 per person. So that adds up pretty quickly here. As you can see here, 23,000 comes from Bluehost, 11,000 comes from DreamHost, and then a bunch of these other, whether it's an email provider, survey, this and that. But the bulk is these huge hosting numbers. And then his expenses, he's got obviously hosting expenses, but not much else. So it's mostly net profit. 39,000 out of that is net profit, and that is an amazing number. So I want to dive in a little deeper into one of the most interesting ways that these bloggers make money. The way it works so well, I believe, is because the traffic that they're bringing in, whether it's from Pinterest, Google, social media, they're getting moms, dads, people that aren't very tech savvy, people that maybe never have made a website before, and then they're reaching these bloggers. They're seeing their content, whether it's food, recipes, something like that, and then when they see these income reports, they're like, wow, I can't believe that this site that takes pictures of food is making this much money. and they've never signed up for hosting before. They don't know anything about it, so they're more likely to follow their advice on how to start a blog and do those things. So let's look at a couple of those. Here you got Sarah Titus, where she's also linked with Bluehost. Bluehost is the most popular one. It's very affordable. It's not a bad deal for anyone involved. So you got pricing here, dirt cheap. Really, I don't know how they're paying these high commissions, to be completely honest, with how affordable it is per month, but somehow they are. But yeah, here's how to start a food blog post from Pinch of Yum food recipe website, and they make $6,000 a month or so from this article. Where first it always starts with, here's how to set up with Bluehost, then install your WordPress website, and at that point become like me and start being a food blogger. Ryan Robinson, this is the page where a ton of traffic comes in from Google, how to start a blog, and he goes super in depth. I mean, it's a great article, and of course he starts with the Bluehost. Click here to head over to Bluehost, sign up, but then once you're done with that, he goes into way more detail on best practices, domains, SEO, a ton of information. And so he's getting a ton of traffic to this page, and it's the affiliate deal is amazing. So what do you claim? 20K from Bluehost, 15K or so from DreamHost. Amazing numbers. Another great thing they're doing is a lot of these bloggers are making a killing with courses. Same concept. You start with these income reports, you become legitimate in the viewer's eyes, and they want to learn from you. You've done it. Show me how you did it. I want to do it too. So Sarah's grinding. She's got everything. So her courses are $1 Million Shop, where she talks about her printables, how to start a business like that. Then she's got how to sell on Shopify, how to create printables, Honest Blogger Academy, how to make money from home, VIP products. She's got a course for everything, so no surprise. Melissa Griffin here, she has the Profitable Creator. What's it called? Let's see here. Yeah, the Profitable Creator is one of her courses. Join the wait list, super exclusive. Then we got the Confident Creator. Let's be honest. It's my belief that soon everyone's going to have a YouTube channel, and you might as well get started as soon as you can. You got Email List Academy. Yeah, people want to learn from people that have done it before, and they've done it. This one's interesting. Abby Lawson, she's more into the whole organization, cut the clutter. She's in sync with that Netflix, what's it called? The Netflix show, Marie Kondo, whatever her name is. So people love that stuff. And she's making money selling a course that teaches you how to organize your house and declutter, do all that stuff. Pretty smart. And then one more here, Food Blogger Pro. This is an offshoot from Pinch of Yum. This is another one of their websites. Learn how to start, grow your food blog. A little more than just a course. So you get some videos, you get a community forum. So pretty cool. Courses, huge money maker for these guys. So you might be wondering, how are they getting traffic? And since a lot of these blogs are female-based, mommy bloggers, Pinterest has a huge female audience. So what they do is every time they create a blog post, they create one of these pins, and then they post it on Pinterest, and traffic comes. For example, here you got Sarah. She gets 3.6 million monthly viewers on her pins here on Pinterest. Another one is Pinch of Yum. They're getting over 10 million monthly viewers on their Pinterest page. And I mean, just look at it. Look at this. Doesn't this look appetizing? Pinterest is all about having pictures that are just, you want to click, you want to find out what's going on. So you click on any of these, they're going to lead you to their website, to a recipe. So it's not just about having your pictures, people looking at your pictures. You also want to bring them to your traffic, to your website, in order to convert them into customers, whether they click on ads, you sell them a course, anything like that. At least you want to get them on your email list. And yeah, for the most part, Pinterest is huge with bloggers. The only Ryan Robinson, he kills it through organic Google, but a lot of these guys are using Pinterest. Don't kill me for my inbox, and I just don't erase emails. I just open the ones that are relevant and ignore the other ones. But another secret, it's not really a secret, but these bloggers build awesome email lists, and they treat them well. They give them freebies. They do all kinds of stuff. And then through the email list, they sell them courses, printables, anything. So this is Kate here. Let's look at who's this? This is Sarah Titus. She sends these emails, all these various printables that she has. And then in just about every email, she'll throw in a freebie. So you go in, you type in your code, and you get it for free. And when I was signing up for her email list just to see what she does, it's always great to reverse engineer some of these guys. But she made me sign into her Shopify and use a code, and I got a freebie. She can market me as a customer. But another amazing thing with these lifestyle bloggers is they can write off things that they would normally do anyway. Like, think I'm a travel blogger. Oh, great. I can go on vacation, take some pictures. I may get my room comped because I can give the hotel a shout out. And I can probably write off my airfare if it's business related, because I'm going to write a blog post. I'm going to make a YouTube video about it. Same thing with the food bloggers. You know, they're making this food and it looks amazing, but they can write off those food costs as well. So it's just another perk of being a blogger. Like you saw Ryan Robinson, how high his net income is. They do some clever things sometimes to bring it down when it comes down to tax time. So that's kind of what I wanted to cover today. I want to show you guys some what these bloggers are doing really well and give you some ideas. Take some inspiration from this. Start your own blog, YouTube channel, whatever it is, and look out for more videos from me. And thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like button below. It helps me, helps more people see this video. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.